A little Corgi fold stand. This is printed out of PLA. 0.4 layer height with a 0.8 nozzle, so it's pretty coarse. But it was really slippery. So the point is, this video was just real quick show that if you don't have a 3D pen, I think it's about 35 bucks a piece, very expensive, print in PLA, TPU, PLA plus, ABS, we'll do it all. There's two ranges of temperature settings. Threw some clear in here, it's nice and rubbery, and for where the phone was slipping here in the base, it's a real simple thing too. Just add a little bit to and you see what they did was add just a little bit of clear TPU, and it kind of as a bumper, to extend that. I could take and make the model taller. The only problem is I'm printing like this. Here's the second one that's printing right now on our modified A10M in silk gold. Because I designed this to print nice and simply, like here, flat, so that way you have this nice face. It's hard to get this overhang. You don't want to do supports. I'll print a couple of these out with a high resolution, but this was, like I said, it's a 0.8 nozzle, 0.4 layer height. I think I got the extrusion multiplier, and I think it's in about 110%. There do seem to be a couple of defects in there, but this is really a coarse. But it certainly does hold the phone very nicely. Get a 3D pen. Fantastic for fixing anything, for adding two different materials together. They're pretty amazing. This one has been through probably a year old, no problems.